Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to make a bow from polymer clay, and this is probably one of the easiest tutorials for my Christmas advents. So I just need to make some strips of polymer clay, and I'm using pink today, but obviously you can choose your own colour. I suspect red will be popular for Christmas. I'm just making some V shapes here with my scalpel. So all I need to do is to just curve that round. And again. And now I need just a little strip to put over the top. And there you have it, a really easy bow. I'll also be using a bow in tomorrow's tutorial, so stay tuned for that. See you tomorrow, bye bye!